Hi. So I built some laundry cabinets for you guys, and I'm sure that you guys will grow up and see this stuff and not even remember what I'm going through or doing. But in case you guys ever decide to build cabinets too, usually we put the uppers first. The uppers meaning the ones that are up on top. In this case, I couldn't do that because I have the washer and dryer underneath. So I built the cabinet. I've already determined where the holes are, where the studs are behind it. So all I need to do is just screw it in. But the question is, how do I get it up there? It's maybe, I don't know, about 60, 70 pounds. And it's difficult to hold it up and try to screw it in at the same time. And your mom can't help because, well, you guys, well, are playing with her. So I got to do it myself. So I figured, what the heck? The car jack can definitely lift it up. So I'm going to go ahead and lift it up and then screw it into the wall. And then once it's screwed into the wall, then later I'll build the face frame for it. I hope you guys love it. I hope you guys appreciate it. So for Madeline, Sabrina, and Clark, when you guys encounter something that's a little difficult to do on your own, think outside the box. Or, you get it. So, for the viewers at home, this was built in 3/4 inch thick maple plywood that I got at the big box store. I put in pocket screws on the ends and lots of wood glue for the middle walls there. And it also has a 1/4 inch maple plywood for the backing. I'll build the face frames pretty soon. Don't forget to subscribe and you can watch how I build that soon. And then once it's all screwed in, you can release the pressure on the jack. There you go. Upper cabinets installed. I guess continue watching. Kids, I love you. And let's see if we can always F this up instead of mess this up. Thanks for watching.